This video is from the GiantLeap project, how to install Windows X2Go client software. Client software displays GiantLeap applications running on the server. This approach means your business data stays on the server. All the workstations just look at server data from a distance through a secure tunnel. Here's how to get X2Go SSH software onto a Windows workstation. Use File Explorer to make a temporary connection to the GiantLeap server. In Computer, use Map Network Drive. Drive letter has a folder like 192.168.1.34/database. Look in the client folder of the mapped network drive letter to see the contents of GiantLeap zip, which is the GiantLeap bat file and a software folder. Select all, then press the copy button and paste into Downloads or any other folder on your computer. This will transfer about 40 megabytes of X2Go software. Select the GiantLeap bat file in the destination folder. Press mouse 2 and Send to Desktop. Create a shortcut. From the desktop, select the new GiantLeap shortcut icon. Press mouse 2 and choose Rename. And type a shortcut name of your choice. Press mouse 2 and choose Properties. Make a change to the target box, typing a username after giantleap.bat. Also, change the run setting to minimized. Then press OK to save the changes. Use File Explorer to disconnect from your temporary database drive letter. Double-click on the new GiantLeap shortcut. The first run respond to various security questions. Your screen should be up in about 30 seconds. Questions or comments? Please let me know. Mike G at giantdatabase.com.